Hi everyone, this is George from Cornerstone City Church and I want to invite you to an exciting event. As you know, as a community, we are blessed to have the Jasper Center. The center is placed in the heart of Rochester and it's a real blessing for all the community. We as church, we can gather together, have our preaching, teaching, we can pray together, we can eat together and celebrate different events. What I've noticed that we have taken this property for granted. We start putting a lot of items, boxes everywhere, and the Jasper Center looks more like a storage than a prayer center. And even we invite new people there, which for me personally, it's a little bit embarrassing when they see a lot of items and things everywhere. Often we have our events, celebrations, and sometimes we don't clean properly after ourselves. That's why I would love to invite you to an event called The New Beginning. The New Beginning means two things. The first means that we will have a really lovely spring clean of the Jasper, when we will just move all the things around. We will just clear all the floors, all the walls, everything, and something really important. We will get rid of all the things we really don't need at the Jasper Center. So, it's really important to know, if you have personal belongings at the Jasper, please come and get them before the 8th of September, 1 p.m. After that, we will just get rid of all these things. Yes, we will get rid of them. So please come and get them. The second thing, the new beginning means that I really hope that we will start having different attitudes toward the Jasper Center. We will just honor more and more this facility because it's not just our place, but it's God's place. And I believe that the Holy Spirit abides there. So I really believe that this new beginning will actually change our attitude towards the building and everything that is happening there. So I would love to invite everyone on the 8th of September, 1 p.m. at the Jasper Center. There will be tea, coffee, sweets, ice cream, and we will have really lovely teamwork just to make this new beginning happening. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.